Hello, YouTube. Just coming on and say hello. Wanted to show you guys my braids. This is the braids that my niece did for me. See it? Got some long braids. Something protective style, But I also wanted to come on and show you an apartment tour. We kind of finished, setting up his apartment for now for my son's new apartment for, the things that he has for right now. He has everything that he needs. Of course, he'll be wanting other things, as he go along and he live in an apartment. But right now, it's set up for everything that he could possibly need. So I just wanted to share because I showed you the empty apartment. Now we're going to show you the furnished. So this is the front door. Got a little sign. Welcome mat. I'll show you from his apartment door. So walking into his apartment, he has this little new addition to his family. I forget her name. I forget what he named her. I have to ask him. But she has a name, but I just don't know it. My little nephew actually named them for her, for him. So walking into his apartment, I'm standing at the front door, walking in. This is the apartment. This is the closet. This is kind of his coat closet, and his where he puts his stuff in. So we put this sign here. Walk into Simply Blessed, and his TV. This is walking in his little entryway. Mat for his shoes. Little thing to put his keys on. The kitchen. He used this for supplies. This closet, he has his cleaning supplies. And sorry if it's dark. His cleaning supplies and stuff in here, but this is not important anyway. So, and then here is the kitchen. His color is green, gray, and black. Filled up his cabinets, his little hot sauce and stuff. He had a lot of. This is where we put all his little plastic containers, his bowls and cups, got to keep the paper plates, this is for his food. This is, his little snacks, oohs and noodles. Refrigerator. He got quick stuff, but his microwave and his drinks. This is where his cat stuff is. So that's the gist of the kitchen for him. Simple. Got his air fryer over in the corner. Stuff he needs is his microwave and his air fryer. Because ain't nobody going to use this but me and his one cousin. And, he has a couple friends. They might cook, but. Okay, this is his little dining room area. Nice little dining room. This is the table we got on. This theme, black, white, green, gray. His little cat is going to tear them couches up. Okay. Good thing he got more of these things. Hello, cat. She cute. Look at them nails. Stop. Get up. Get down. Get down. I'm not a fan of cats, but you know. All right, this is how his curtains, his window, all his colors, black, gray, green. This is his couch. I tried to give him my couch, but only one part of my couch would fit up into his house. The other part was too big to get through anything. So he has one part, I have one part. And then he's going to get some like green some chairs. We found these chairs. He's going to get one to put in a corner and one to put here. So when he has company, everybody has a place to stay. But really, mainly it's just him. So this is good for him. And he don't have a lot of friends. He has a few close friends that he be with, so this is more than enough space for them to hang out. And his little table set up. Let me see if I can open some of these curtains so you guys can see, make it a little brighter. It's a nice big window. This is his little table. No elephant for good luck. I found this candle. It has an S on it for show on. Yep. TV stand we put together for the living room. He has one more over there, right there, that I need to put together for his bedroom. This is his picture wall. His diplomas, his brothers, of course me. Of course I had to go on the wall. Me, his diplomas. That's him when he was a baby. That's his diploma when he graduated high school. Get them. Goddamn cat. This is when he's surgical tech. Me and him. You know, I made these little pictures. So that's his picture wall. And then he got room to add onto it. So I'll do a 360. Living room, dining room, kitchen. And then we go back here. This is the spare bedroom. Got his iron. He's going to put his ironing board and stuff in here. He's going to get a futon to put in here for when he has company, or if my other son comes home from the Navy, he'll have a place to stay. He was thinking about a bed, but we thought a futon because this could be like a little hangout space too. So this is where the Wi-Fi is. This is just a little drawer. Nothing's in it. So we're going to get the futon. We're going to set the futon right here. So it'll be like a little sitting area, a little bedroom for his guests. This is all his supplies. Toilet paper, you know. He got a lot of cabinet space. God is good. There's a picture that I have on Amazon, Benjamin Franklin, the big dollar bill. It's real big that it costs. It's like $200. This is what this wall is going to be for. A picture. And this is his bathroom. So he got the bathroom set up. Walls. Pictures. His shower curtain. This little theme. I'm standing back. This is a little apartment. Okay, then go into his bedroom. This is his bedroom. Let me turn on one light. This little light, how we set it up. Like how I did the back of his bed. And I found this long green pillow that goes across the whole bed. Let's just do some pillows on there. This is the cat's bed. Woo! Sorry, honey. That little cat matches the rug. Cat's bed. Got a little mirror over here. So this is the room from this angle. 360 room tour. Yeah, okay. This is his TV. His TV's gonna go right here as soon as I can put that stand together. Okay, this is his little bathroom. Cat's little bathroom. my son's little personal. That's his little rug that I found on Amazon. I made these pictures. They glow in the dark. Look, wait a minute. Let me show you. When the lights are out, they glow in the dark. It's cool. See them? So, I found this be the best version of yourself. You know, that's my little cute little saying. I have that in my house too. Smile. So, this is bathroom. Just good and simple. This is his closet. He got his clothes up. This is the school he graduated from. Woodland Hills. I put a little mirror there for him. All his clothes, shoes, coats. This is his closet. Should be my closet. But that's kind of his little tour. He likes the Black Panther. And this little saying I thought that was cute. When you love what you have everything that you need. That's what we live by, y'all. Okay, little room tour. And that's that. This little stand we found with his little colognes and stuff. Alright, guys. Found him that clock. I like that clock. It changes colors and stuff, but you know. And you don't need no battery. It's plugged in, so it's good for him. It says Tuesday though. Today's Monday, right? 4/16. That's the wrong. It's the wrong day. It's not Tuesday. All right, I'll fix that. Maybe it's on the wrong year. That's the wrong year because it's not even the 16th, I don't think. I think it's the 15th. Okay. I'll have to fix that for him. But this is showing you his finished so far. This is how he has, 20 years old. He has everything he needs. Just wanted to share. God bless you all. Talk to you soon.